thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Christina. In this video I'm going to show you how to do the back post, and I'm just going to use double crochets for this. I've chained 2. Now after I've wrapped my hook, I'm going to go on this first stitch, is probably the most trickiest, behind and then in front. And a good way to remember back post is that your post is behind your hook when you're working that stitch. And you finish off that double crochet. Now that first one is the hardest. And most patterns are probably just going to have a regular double crochet there. Now the second one, you just do double crochet, depending on the pattern. Now again, I'm going behind, coming in through, and then now I know it's back post because the post is behind my hook. I'm going to go ahead and finish that. I'll do a few more. The post is behind the hook. And just finish off that double crochet. You do a line of them, you'll end up with a ridge, which is what I use in my Sea Breeze collection pattern. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. Then, you know, if the pattern calls just for a regular, just go through, or every other, again, go to the back, and my hook, or my post is behind the hook, so back post. That's how I remember it, because I can get confused between front post and back post, and I have done a video for the front post as well. So I hope this has helped you. Please leave a comment or like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.